Lift the toilet by gripping the back corner and the front edge, keep it level, and use a second person to guide it with a garbage bag underneath for drips. Start by shutting off the water and removing any remaining water from the bowl and tank using a sponge or small pump until it is nearly dry. Wear gloves and back support if you have it, and bend at the knees, not the waist, to protect your lower back while lifting. Position one person at the back corner near the tank and another at the front edge under the bowl rim, so the fixture stays level and does not twist. Slide a heavy-duty garbage bag or plastic sheeting under the bowl before lifting to catch any drips and prevent mess on floors or car interiors. If you have access to a shower pan or other shallow basin, lower the toilet into it for short-term storage while you transport other materials, as it offers a contained spot for leaks. When moving through doorways, pivot slowly with the person at the back guiding the tank end first to avoid striking trim or tile. Common mistakes include trying to lift alone, which strains the back and risks dropping the fixture, so always enlist a helper and use knees and leg strength when lifting. Another issue is tilting the toilet, which can break the flange or crack the porcelain, so keep the bowl level by matching grip heights and communicating while walking. A third problem is neglecting to protect surfaces from drips and scratches, so use a garbage bag under the bowl plus a moving blanket or cardboard on floors and in vehicles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us host a discussion community where people share real-world tips and ask questions about projects like toilet removal. We help contractors find jobs by giving them a place to list services and engage with neighbors seeking help.